Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and I got my brother Steve here, and we're going to be trying one of our favorite styles of all time. This is Martin House Brewing's Mustard Relish Pickle Beer.
Yay!
So, yeah, like I said, it's one of our favorite styles.
Oh, yeah. You always bring me for these. You need someone to finish them off.
That's basically it. I don't want to drink. I've learned not to drink all of it. I am not a fan of pickles, and I am not a fan of mustard.
I like both.
This I'm not gonna probably enjoy. So let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Martin House Brewing's Best Made Mustard Relish Pickle Beer comes in at a 4.7% ABV, a 0 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.97. Okay, mustard relish pickle beer.
It looks like mustard.
It looks like mustard. It looks like hazy, juicy mustard.
It does.
Oh.
Yeah. The aroma is.
It actually smells like mustard and pickles.
It does.
It
It
actually
does.
smells like I opened up a McDonald's burger and
Yes,
they had
that's what
too much
mustard on it.
mustard on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's that really cheap pickle.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what. Even
It
when
does smell like it. Yeah. It does actually smell like it.
Yeah, even when I cracked it, I was like, oh, this smells like fart.
Yeah. Wasn't a pleasant aroma, but it is smelling like mustard and relish.
Yeah.
It does.
Okay.
All right, let's taste it.
Okay.
It tastes exactly like mustard and relish.
Oh God. And I'm not. Yeah, it tastes like a bad McDonald's cheeseburger.
It needs some cheese with it.
Yeah, it does. It's bread.
I kind of like it. It does taste like a McDonald's cheeseburger a little bit. I kind of like that.
Oh. Oh, God, the back sour end is not good.
I mean, it's not something I think of that I want to drink.
It's thick too.
It is kind of thick.
It's like they took a jammy smoothie sour, and instead of the sweet jamminess, they like, let's put relish.
Yeah, they're gonna put condiments in there.
Yeah.
That's the next beer style, is a condiment sour. Here's a ketchup rosé. I don't hate it, but I'm going to have a hard time
Oh God.
drinking this all.
Wow.
This is a novelty, and it's interesting. I don't find it quite repulsive, but it's not like I want to drink the whole thing.
Okay. I will state this is probably, as little as I do like pickles, this is actually as closest to the pickle flavor I would kind of tolerate.
Yeah, okay.
Because I do like relish in my tuna, but I don't like big chunks of pickle, and this kind of reminds me of that. But then there's that mustard flavor, which I don't like, which is like a tart, warm yellow mustard.
Yeah, it's definitely like a Franz yellow mustard type of a flavor. It's not like a stone mustard or a Dijon mustard or anything.
Like those are fine to me because they don't taste like mustard. You get a stone, spicy, honey mustard.
No, this is just straight up yellow mustard.
This is yellow mustard. Someone gobbed a bunch on a hot dog or something and
that's
put
exactly
a bunch of
what it
relish.
is.
And it's like,
Yep.
oh.
That's exactly what that is. That'd be interesting to have like a plain old hot dog and then sip this in between and be like, oh, it's a hot dog. I'm just sipping that.
That's the thing. Now, could you make a sampler platter of here's condiment flavored beer?
Just get some hot dogs and dip it in
And
the
then
beer.
you just dip it.
And then
we're
like,
like, oh, okay, here we go.
let's do it.
This bite, I want some ketchup. This bite, I want some relish. This bite, the onion flavor. Oh yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if Martin House in like
They're
6
gonna
months
watch
from
this
now,
video. They're
like,
gonna come out with a ketchup.
they're like, yeah,
ketchup,
a sampler pack. It's gonna be a condiment sampler pack.
Here's a mayo beer. Here's a ketchup
Oh,
beer.
God.
Here's a mustard relish
Mayo
beer.
beer. That would be This isn't the worst one.
No, this is not the worst one.
Again, I will state this. Martin House Brewing, for the flavors that I don't personally like this, they are the best at extracting these flavors.
They definitely have the dead-on flavors. One of my pet peeves is when they have a beer and they have a flavor on it, and then you drink it and it doesn't taste anything like it. They say, we got cherries in here, and it's like, I taste no cherries.
Oh yeah.
This, you definitely pick out the mustard, you definitely pick out the pickle.
Yeah.
It's there.
You don't even have to like dig for it. It's just like, no, this is a perfect balance.
This is exactly what it is. There's no false advertising here whatsoever.
I could have covered the can and I said, what flavors are these? And you'd be like, it's mustard and pickle.
Yeah, obviously. No, some people just might say it tastes like a cheeseburger, McDonald's
cheeseburger
it does.
Oh God, it does taste like a McDonald's cheeseburger.
If you blindfolded me and it had me taste this, I think it tastes kind of like a burger or something, like a cheeseburger.
A cheeseburger beer.
Yeah.
I don't know if I could do this.
This one's gonna be hard. Again, I don't hate it, but it's not something I want to like drink or guzzle down.
Yeah. If I had 4 ounces of this, I would choke it down.
Yeah.
But I'd be like, I don't want any more than that 4 ounces.
I think this would be perfect to take to like a bottle share or something like that. So you can just have a small sip of it, and people will be like, oh yeah, that's great, because it tastes like it's supposed to taste. I don't want any more of it.
Yeah. So if you're looking for something to share, and you're tired of just blending up your McDonald's cheeseburgers and drinking them as a milkshake, get some Best Maid mustard pickled relish. Basically the same thing.
Yeah,
and there's a dash of alcohol.
Yeah.
So Martin House Brewing, check them out if you're looking for any type of beers, because we have a few of theirs that are just standard beers. Still phenomenal beers.
Very good beers, yeah.
Check it out. Cheers, guys.
See ya.
Hey, thanks guys for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. Links for those will be at the very bottom of the description. Leave a comment or two. Have you ever had any of the Martin House pickle beers? Ever had a weird food flavored beer? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys.